everyone, today we're looking at a 2008 Harley Davidson Dyna Street Bob. This one's in vivid black. All of the laces on the spoked wheels look really nice. The chrome is doing really well. We have this Screamin' Eagle intake cone style. We also have this Vance & Hines shorty exhaust system. Previous owner put the hard-mounted leather locking bags on here. This is a really nice feature. Backpacks, I think, suck. And the fact that they lock is just that much more awesome. Really comfortable solo seat. We do have passenger pegs though. Little mini floorboards on both sides. Nice rear brake pedal. Nice tall handlebars. Honestly, this bike is really fun and comfortable to ride. Again, 2008 Dyna Street Bob, vivid black, black denim. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.